computer screen says your PC did not start correctly. This is how to fix that. So on your screen, it should be a blue screen, and there should be two options that says restart or advanced options. You're gonna go ahead and click advanced options. And once you do that, the first thing that you should try right off the jump is startup repair. Windows will automatically restart and try to scan your computer to see if it can fix any problems on its own. The next one you should go to is uninstall updates option. You're going to go ahead and hit the first one. This will uninstall any quality updates that Windows might have downloaded for your computer. And it turns out your computer, for whatever reason, is unable to run its latest update. But if that's not the case, we're going to go down to System Restore. Once you hit System Restore, a pop-up should come up. If a pop-up doesn't occur, don't worry, no problem. There's other ways to do it, but if a pop-up does appear, you're going to want to click Next and follow the followed instructions until your PC was restored to its latest checkpoint. But again, if that doesn't work, we're going to go back to the advanced options and click through until we see startup settings. We're going to hit that and then restart. Once your computer restarts, it'll show up a bunch of options 1 through 9. All that we're going to worry about is hitting number 4 on our keyboard to launch our PC into safe mode. Alright, once your PC is in safe mode, as you can see here, we're going to go down to the search bar and search for Clean MGR, no spaces. Clean MGR. We're going to click on the app for disk cleanup. If you have multiple drives, go ahead and start with the first one, and then if the first one doesn't fix it, then go and run the same steps and go run the second drive. But let's run the first drive for now. And then for right here, we're going to basically go through all of these checkboxes and hit every single one. Once you have hit every single one, you're going to press OK and then press delete all files. If you cleaned out both of your drives and it still seems to be not working, while your PC is in safe mode, we're going to go to the search. We're going to look up reset this PC. I'm going to press get started. This will basically start your PC from scratch as if it's brand new, and it should boot up like a normal computer again. That is how to fix your PC did not start correctly.